Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a channel on YouTube. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube app. Once you're in the YouTube app, you need to scroll through and find a video or channel that you want to report. So to show you guys, I'll scroll through and find a random video. So once you find the video, tap on the three dots on the video. And after that, you will get to see a panel that has multiple options. From here, you need to tap on Not Interested. Also, if you don't want to see the channel again, tap on Don't Recommend Channel. This way, you will not get any recommendations from this channel. This way, you can block specific videos. But if you want to block a specific channel, tap on the profile picture of the channel. So once you're in the home page of the channel, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then tap on Hide User from My Channel. And then you'll see this notification. What you need to do is tap on Hide User. By doing this, it will hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. So tap on it to confirm. So that is how you can block a channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.